open when you're trying to change the combination number on the lock. Always try the combinations a few times until you are very sure of it before closing the door. Stage 1. Opening the safe. Unlocking the combination lock. To open the safe, use the standard combination number set by the manufacturer, which is 10, 20, 30. Step 1. Turn the combination dial anti-clockwise 4 times towards the number 10. Reminder: when you turn the dial, make sure to turn until the number 10 on the combination lock dial reaches the opening line indicator. Reminder: if you realize that you had overturned the dial whereby number 10 passed over the opening line indicator, you can't just reverse towards the opening line indicator. You have to repeat the above process and stop exactly at the opening line indicator. Step 2. Turn the combination dial clockwise 3 times towards the number 20. Step 3. Turn the combination dial anti-clockwise 2 times towards the number 30. Step 4. Turn the combination dial clockwise towards the number 0. Now, the combination lock has been unlocked. Unlocking the key lock. Step 1. Insert the key. Step 2. Turn the key clockwise. Now the key lock has been unlocked. Step 3. Turn the handle clockwise and pull. Now the safe door will open. Leave the door ajar